here we are. As you can see, drone assist, there is no flight restrictions here. So here we go.
Home point updated.
Well, as you can probably see, the river is up quite high. We've had bad weather over the last few days, as you can see on that. I'll take it over. I don't know why, but I always get nervous when I'm over water. I don't know why. There we go. So, but yeah, as you can see, water is right up on the path, just here. Let's bring it back, show you what I mean by on the drone. So this just here is a pathway, as you can see. And as you can see, if I spin it around, you'll see me there. So that is actually a pathway. And it's still flooded. And I think there's a bench there, as you can tell. Down a little bit. So as you can see, that is the actual bench. That's the actual bench. And that is the bridge that goes across the river that goes underneath the road. A little bit there. So let's move it out in the middle. Yeah, out in the middle. And then let's put the camera up. And there's a bench just there. Lots of crows around. Lots of blackbirds. Right, that'll do me for now.
Landing. Landing.
Back in a bit. Here we go. As you can tell, that there's no flight restrictions at this location. So let's get going.